Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe and this time it's Oreo dessert box. No oven necessary, just masak atas stove je and it's very easy, so let's jump right to it. So the Oreo dessert box will be divided into three parts. The bottommost part will be the Oreo crumbs, so we're gonna need Oreo biscuits and butter. So the chocolate ganache, or the topmost part, we're gonna need this milk chocolate with evaporated milk and some butter as well. So for the Oreo pudding itself, we're gonna need sugar, milk, cornstarch, gelatin, and cream cheese. I'm actually heading out in a bit, tapi nak rasa juga depan kamera walaupun dah banyak kali buat. Ni macam cair sikit lah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. See the chocolate? This is why you have to chill it in the freezer dulu sebab it's very like runny. Tapi I tak sempat. Macam nak keluar dah tadi berbuat. So as you can see, this consistency is very cair sebab I baru masukkan dalam freezer about half an hour. The best consistency is when semuanya keras and it tastes like ice cream. Right now tengah cair. Ideally, if you want it to taste like ice cream, masukkan dalam freezer for about 4 hours would be good enough. Usually with this much ingredients, I buat 2 boxes only because you'll get thicker Oreo pudding and thicker everything. But if you jenis yang nak makan sikit-sikit and nak simpan ataupun nak bagi orang, buat 3 bekas lagi okay lah sebenarnya. As usual, I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. Okay, I'm heading out now. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video, inshallah.